Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Purereviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button. And if you find this particular video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, maybe leave a comment. That really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and there is a link in the description that will take you to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is a cordless buffer by a company called Saker. This is the box it's going to come in once you order it. And once you open it up, you're going to get a ton of parts and pieces. So let's go over those right now. So first off, you are going to get the polishing device itself, which we're going to go over in detail here very shortly. You are going to get a bunch of little adapters. So first off, you're going to get a flat sponge, which is great for washing windows, washing your car. You're also going to get another kind of wavy sponge, same thing, great for washing your car or washing off like patio furniture. Then you are going to get a little disc here for sanding. This is just a sanding paper item here, and you can get those also at your local store. Then you are going to get a wool polishing. This is great for if you're waxing your car and you're wanting to polish it. Then you are going to get a lot of bonnets. So let's go over the bonnets. First off, you are going to get 2 microfiber type bonnets. Then you are going to get a kind of woven bonnet. Then you're going to get a fleece bonnet. And then you're going to get kind of a more Sherpa bonnet. So you got lots of little options here as far as what you want to use for polishing. Now, in addition to that, you are, of course, going to get a user manual that explains how to use it and operate it that we're going to go over in details. You will get a power plug to charge up the battery, and then this is the battery itself. Where you will plug it in is right there, and there is a light on the plug that will turn red when it's charging. It'll turn green when it is fully charged. Now, finally, you're going to get this little water kind of proof apron thing. I've never really used this. I do wish that it had a bag to hold all these parts. So I wish they would get rid of the apron and give us a bag to put everything in, but that is what you get when you order it. So now let's go over the device itself. So first off, the battery goes in the bottom side. It just simply slides in. There is only one way to put it in, but to kind of help you out, you have the 2 little grips here. Those go on the side. So just put it in and you're going to snap it shut there. On the bottom side, you can see we have a nice big Velcro pad, which all these are Velcro. So you just sit there in place, make sure it's fully covered because you don't want to get the Velcro exposed to where it will scratch whatever you are polishing. But this is nice and stick, and it stays nice and secure. It's kind of tight to pull off, so that is perfect. You don't have to accidentally worry about it flipping. Now you'll see on the device here, it's got these little arrows. This is going to show you which way it's kind of spinning. It has these little breathe holes to make sure a lot of airflow gets through the device itself. This does have a 4-pole solid copper motor, so it's going to help with that heat releasing. Also has a nice grip here, so that way you have a good grip as you are utilizing it. The power button right there in the front and center, just push that on, and it quickly turns on as you can see. And you've got the battery lights right like so. Now, on the side, you have a little dial here, and this has 6 different power settings and speeds. The maximum speed is up to 5,000 RPMs, but just simply keep moving this over, and it'll get faster and faster. And as you can see, the highest setting is quite intense, so like obviously, when you're polishing, you're using the lower setting, but if you're going to do something like sanding and whatnot, it's great to have that higher setting. But overall, very versatile, easy to use device. It's well balanced in your hand while you're using it. It's got this extra grip, so that way you can push down. I love using this to scrub my patio furniture after the spring and the fall when you're getting ready to use it. It works great with the sponge here on the windows to make sure it's nice and clean. And then obviously the main reason is it's great for washing your car. Because it's got a battery, you don't have to have anything plugged in. It's easy to grab and go and use this. Now I do want to mention that the buffer itself here, this is a 6-inch diameter buffer, so if you are getting additional attachment pieces that you want to use on this, it has this with the standard Velcro, though it is 6 inches across, and it has a 2000 mAh battery. And I've noticed that's obviously battery life is going to drastically change depending on what setting you have. I've easily been able to wash my whole car without having to recharge or anything like that. So it does have a nice long battery life. But that is basically the ins and outs of this little guy. So if you are looking for a cordless buffer or something to wash your windows and cars, furniture, etc., whatever you can imagine, this is totally worth checking out. If there was something that I did not cover that you're curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. If you thought the video was helpful, hit thanks, say thanks. Those all really help a lot. And be sure to check out that link in the description. They'll take you to the product page so you can see the current price point and all that fun information. And that is it until the next video. So you guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.